Today we have a special engagement with John Stamos. So I'm really excited and yeah, let's go. You were No, I will though. John Stamos.
Keep going.
Uncle Jesse. We're about to meet him. Well, not really. We're gonna be in the same room as him.
Really
they literally sent an email being like, "You're not gonna personally meet him. Do not bring anything for him to sign."
Bring things to sign. Okay.
So.
Musician, writer, general pain, like.
Why didn't you turn it on for me, Tony? Hello, everybody. I'm so happy to see you all. God bless you. And that's my show. Thank you. What a cool thing that you guys are here. This is my third time, and I always say, can I just come do this instead of the other stuff they want me to do? Because it's so exciting to see all these new faces and future Disney dream makers, and like Disney, it's just like it's about optimism and positivity and good vibrations and fun. And wouldn't it be nice? And, just music.
He's not going to sing, so just leave it alone.
Aruba, Jamaica. So, anytime you chance you can make someone's day or minute or life better, you get to do it. But you guys have the opportunity as much as I do, so that's like I said, it's a real gift.
Now, the Beach Boys are coming back. Whether Mr. Stamos will be with the Beach Boys depends solely on how much stuff I give him, because that's kind of,
Can I come back and talk to the college program?
Well, yes. That's, yeah.
This is my favorite thing to do. It was a very dark time in my life. I was, over the years, my mom died, I got a divorce, my dad died, and I was just found myself getting, involved with alcohol, not treating my body and my soul. I wasn't.
You've been really open about that.
Yeah, because if it helps one person, I wasn't. The universe was. I was confusing the universe by the way I was treating myself, and I had one moment where I didn't want to kill myself, but I never forget it. I was driving. I said, I don't care if I die. I've done everything. I played with the Beach Boys. The stupidest thing I could have ever told myself. And I had a wake-up moment, and I said, it was 11 years ago, and I went to rehab, and I said, this is it. I can't, and there was a 1% chance gets out of here, stay sober. I said, I'm going to be that 1%. And I have that. Thank God, everything, all my dreams have come true. I was like, touring the Beach Boys, and it was like the long tour, on this long flight, and I got this text from my friend who was producing. He says, Josh got sick. You want to be a hero? I'm like, no. And I said, what's one song? And I didn't know the song, so luckily I had enough Wi-Fi to Google it. I said, oh, okay, I think I can do this. This was on Wednesday night. I landed late Wednesday night, even Thursday. Woke up Thursday morning and said, what am I, insane? Because it was Friday night was the performance. 18,000 people at the Hollywood Bowl, Cynthia Erivo, what's the other guys, people that were in it? Lambert, we're fine, Broadway people too. And I'm like, no, I gotta call my friends, just let the understudy do it. It's too much, I can't remember the words. And so, but then I have this Broadway bachelor, sort of, this Broadway stuff I've been using. I did Bye Bye Birdie, and Liza Minnelli signed it for me. I swear, I literally have my phone to text them and say, I'm bailing on this thing. And I look up, I see Liza Minnelli's thing. She said, Dear John, take no prisoners and fuck the wounded. Liza May. Sorry for saying that. She said, and I went, wounded? I gotta do this, right? I have to do this. It's all about your whole career. You go, I gotta take chances. That's how you really get. I mean, you never do. But I said, all right, we're gonna go for it. So I rehearsed for a day on Thursday. I said, okay, I think I have this. Friday morning, I get to the Hollywood Bowl. and I run through before the cast. I didn't met the cast. I hadn't seen any of the rehearsals, because I was at church somewhere, sort of by myself. And there's choreography, there's singing, and I said, well, can I get teleprompter? You get teleprompter, I get there around 8, singing great, orchestra's great, band's great. Then they had a big run through around 1 o'clock. I meet the whole cast, Cynthia, everybody gets my number. Cynthia's laying here as Jesus Christ, and I have to come out and say, you are the Christ. Yes, that's great, Jesus Christ. I look out, and the way the sun is shining, I can't see anything on the teleprompters. And I come out, you are the Christ, yes, the chick, you are the Christ, you are the Christ. Give me the words. She gets upside to find out later. She says, I don't care how sick Josh Gad is. Get him back in your stage. So, and that leaks out to me. So I go, I don't care. I'm going to nail this thing. And I said, make sure those teleprompters are working and I can see them. And I went out and I saw them and I kicked butt. And it was a great, Andrew Lloyd Webber sitting there. He comes back saying, it was one of those things. But if I would listen to Liza Minnelli, I wouldn't have the story. So I love playing the concert in front of the castle. That was really special. We had a weird moment where I wasn't in the scene, I don't think, but it was the twins and someone, and there was a character, I can't remember which, and there was thousands, as you could imagine, thousands of people around watching. It was in the sun, it was hot, so you go, okay, 1 minute, one more. Sure. Kid misses up again. I didn't know how to take this. Well, we got to take. I don't care, I start yelling. They start the thing, and the poor cast member in the costume passes out. And there's thousands of people. I'm saying, what are they gonna do? They dragged the poor kid backstage, because they didn't want to take the head off. She was fine. That was maybe the low point of doing that. Yeah. All right. So I love it.
Here we go.
I was on the Jungle Cruise yesterday, and I'm always like writing jokes in my head for you guys because I like to write jokes. But they give you the book, right? Mm-hmm. And then are you allowed to do some ad libs on your own, or do they have to every one of them be approved?
Yeah, we have the book, and then we can kind of play around a little bit, obviously keeping it appropriate for Disney. But
the backside of water is now the biggest thing everybody gets.
Yeah, well, that would be always fun.
But it still didn't matter. It's like, you still, one of my great moments on Broadway was with James Earl Jones and Jill Lansbury. It was called Best Man. And it was one of these powerful, dramatic political plays by Gordy, a 3-hour show. And I'm toe-to-toe with one of the greatest actors on the planet, James Earl Jones, every night. And at the end, I never forget the very last show, we were walking up, and I said, I just called Big Daddy. I said, Big Daddy, come with John. He played Darth Vader. Mufasa, right? And I said, James, I owe you so much. You changed my career. You changed everything I've ever done. This is the most important thing I've done. Thanks to you, allowing me to act with you every night and learn so much from you. I really changed. People's perception of me has completely changed. Stage door opens. Uncle Jesse! Say have mercy! Say have mercy! And I couldn't look at him. He was standing over here signing autographs, and I moved like this, and I wanted to run as far and fast as I could. And just at this moment, I heard someone go, James, can you say, Luke, I'm your father? And we just looked at each other and said, we can't fight, we can't, why? So we just embrace it, I don't know if I answered your question, but I've been for a while.
Thank you, everybody.
Okay, John Stamos was great. Now what are we doing?
Fairy gardens and marble art.
We have 2 art classes going on in the breezeway right now, so fairy garden making and meditative marble art. So that's what we got going on so far.
How's she doing? Does she live there?
I think my fairy lives, I don't know.
Like, with the tractor?
I think she lives here. No, she doesn't live there. She lives right here.
I'm gonna have to like glue this later.
Yeah, they'd be falling. Okay, she lives in a valley.
Okay. Mine keeps going.
Same.
Earthquake hit.
No, literally.
Look at her. I'm not her. I'm an earthquake.
Okay, we got more stuff to build it up.
I need to dump it and redo it. Gotta get all my little guys out.
If you just let it roll across, what you're going to do is once it's in the tray, you're just going to be rolling it around.
Okay, cool.
Good. Someone's gonna take this. I don't want it.
So cool.
I have your stitch. Yep.
Marble art in my marble.
Oh, now it's not all of it.
That's okay, you just need some force. There you go.
Whoa. Oh, that's so
that?
cool. Miss Art Degree. This is what we're looking like so far. Successful morning. We got to see John Stamos. We made fairy gardens and this. So now where are we off to? And we're gonna go to Starbucks and get the special Hannah Montana drink, I'm pretty sure. So cute. Hannah Montana drink. Cast Connections. It's Tuesday and they should have new stuff. So
Best thinking during the planning and the creation of our experimental prototype community of tomorrow. And most important of all, when Epcot has become a reality, and we find the need for technologies that don't even exist today, it's our hope that Epcot will stimulate American industry to develop new solutions that will meet the needs of people expressed right here in this experimental community.
Wait, take your bag off. Oh, my bag isn't hard to fit. Am I not? No, I'm just kidding. I don't care that much.
okay.
Hey, wait. God, we learned everything about this place just now.
Okay, we are headed in for our Garden Grill reservation now. We just did the 360 shot in front of the Epcot ball. Are you guys excited to eat? I'm so hungry right now. Ah! And I'm wearing my Chip and Dale because we're gonna meet them. So we're moving. We started over there. Now we're seeing the building. This is so cool.
See the movement.
Yeah. That's crazy. This is so cool. Awesome. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yay! Yay!
Perfect.
Thank you. Thank you.
To pay you to go to Europe for like 8 weeks.
We're finally seeing the ride. Dinner course. The mac and cheese has Mickey cheeses. And then we have steak and turkey and vegetables and green beans and mashed potatoes.
Oh, that'd be awesome.
Sure. Can I get your autograph too? Thank you. Cute.
Well, usually it is, but it wasn't because I was here during the.
Hi.
I like my lips.
We're in the desert now.
It's a little warm in here because we're here. We're so excited to see you, Chip. Oh no!
Ah!
It's okay, I did that. Can I get a picture with you, Chip?
Aww.
And they're trying. Eventually, they're gonna test in the Orlando area and like kiss me and they're gonna.
Oh my god, guys, it's my house.
Dream house.
It took us all the way home.
Your dog needs
Look
to
at all those chickens.
Anyways, yeah, we're getting really, really full. Dessert.
It's in a skillet.
Dessert at home.
This girl still bought the house.
That's my globe.
Listen, look it up.
This is more important to see the skin.
Look at the skinny. See the skinny.
Again, though, I'm gonna.
We did it, y'all. We did it. We're so full right now. Genuinely,
I told my
gonna
boyfriend
die.
I was pregnant. I did.
With
It's
a
not
food
his.
baby.
It's not his.
We're all pregnant, guys. With a food baby. Okay, we are leaving Epcot and we're gonna go home and we're gonna watch the Hannah Montana 20th anniversary special. So I love her. She's so beautiful.
She's so hot.
She's so hot.
She's so hot.
Yeah, Cafe Tu Tu Tango. Y'all, I didn't even realize it's happy hour. Look at this amazing deal. Jerk chicken skewers, cauliflower taco, street corn. Yummy. My drinks are really good. This is the chicken egg roll. All of that food was so good, and we still have cake pops coming out from that deal that we did, which was literally $19.22, called Get 'em All, and literally we're full already. But we ordered the croquetas on the side, just, you know, they're not a part of the deal, but it's okay, because I had them before and they're really good. Here are the cake pops that come with the Get 'em All.
Look at that shot.
Okay, round 3. I got a cucumber martini, and she got one called the Impressionist. This is how the pants situation is. I've been tucking in the shirt lately because it looks better. I feel like I never record actual work stuff. So here's me in my costume. I work 5 to 11 today. I work like all day tomorrow. I've been working a lot, basically. Don't be fooled by the vlogs. I'm only including non-work things, but like I work 5 days a week, and yeah. Are we going to Epcot and it's almost 8:30? Yes. Does the park close at 9? Yes. So yeah, we literally have 30 minutes. Here we go. The Odyssey building. Yay! I almost forgot to vlog, y'all. She got the lemon tart, I got the lumpia, and the cinnamon beignets, and a water.
So do I. Okay, ready?
Oh, so romantic.
We're getting married.
We're in love.
The wedding's tomorrow, guys.
Shotgun.
This is the bachelorette. Trio of chips and... Wait, what?
So it's chips and dips. So
Yeah.
potato chips.
Trio of dips with chips.
Yeah, that's
Yeah. They went to ride Guardians of the Galaxy, so I'm just waiting for them because I think that ride would make me sick. Anyways, I'm under the Epcot ball, so yeah, that's probably the end of this day of the vlog, but I'll let you know if anything else happens. So also, excuse how busted I look. It's because I literally came here right after work, so, and I literally work here. It's my day off. It's a Tuesday. These vlogs have been more like 10 days in my life instead of a week in my life, but that's okay. Mainly because some days I don't do anything fun at all. So today I'm going to the dentist and then to the car wash, and then I'm gonna do something fun. I have exciting news. I got a Universal annual pass. I got the top one that you can get, and it gets you 1 free night of Halloween Horror Nights and express pass every day after 4 p.m. So we might head over there. I don't know. So I'll keep you updated. Megan is doing her earning her ears ceremony thingy with Pocahontas, and I forgot my autograph book, but it's okay. And then we're gonna go to Blizzard Beach. We saw Pocahontas
And Rafiki.
And that was awesome. It was just at the beginning of the park. We didn't have to really go
He
in.
blew me a couple kisses.
And we told him that we will miss Rafiki's Planet Watch.
Justice for Rafiki's Planet Watch.
Genuinely, if they get rid of that animal mural inside, I'm going to cry. But now we're going to Blizzard Beach only for like the last hour and a half
That's
of
okay, because we can do that.
park
Because guess
time.
what? It's
Yeah.
15 minutes. From our
Exactly,
rest
and we get free admission until April 30th, so
stop. So catch us there every single day of the month.
we've just been in the wave pool. By the way, I'm trying not to record anybody's kids. Our other plan is just to go in the lazy river, so I'll update you later. Change of plans, we're going on the chairlift and going on the family raft ride. We're on the lift, guys. The views up here are crazy. Just kidding. Lazy river time. Alright, we're probably gonna go to the pool now.
I will cry if it goes in your bag.
No, I will literally cry.
That's the mom.
Oh my god! So, I didn't do an intro for the vlog for this part, but you're about to watch me go to Disney Springs with one of my coworkers. Okay, guys. Manifesting that I get the spa one, but we're about to find out. And I'm getting this cute little Donald. Do I need to be spending money? No. Yay! Hey! Okay. So I got this mystery Winnie the Pooh thing.
I got the Disney Wishables. I told myself I wouldn't get any of these, but here we are. I'll wait for you, because I'm literally.
I told myself I wasn't gonna get any more.
Rip my stamp.
Here I am.
Rip this focus.
Okay. This is so cute.
Yours is like
and
a
the little honey pot. Like,
yours is like a blind bag. Yes, we're filming. Yes.
Okay,
I'm
wait.
just gonna rip this, like rip it open. Okay. I'm excited.
Uh,
I opened one of the
we'll
guests today, and
use
she
this
got
one
Pluto, so maybe. Okay.
how do you open it?
Pull it.
Okay, I did it.
Wait. I think it might be it.
Plural?
Okay.
Okay.
Do you want to
So
do it
when
at the
you-
same time or just do it for like,
Let's do it at the same time.
Okay. So
Okay.
just push it.
I guess. I don't know.
Okay. Do I push it? I'm scared.
It's Pluto. It's Pluto.
Okay.
It's Pluto.
Leave it. I'd be literally happy with it. Okay. Ready?
Okay, I have to figure out how to
Mine's gonna
open
open before yours.
this. Yeah, no, literally. This is a whole thing.
Okay. I'm just gonna push it open.
I ain't messing around anymore. I just bit into it. Are you serious? Okay, wait. Wait, this one is so cute. It wasn't over there. It's another one. This is one that wasn't on the display. I was like, if it's a fourth one, then that's fine too. His little tea. Or no, it's coffee. Me and Pooh.